Hey guys, welcome back to the Forex education platform. Today's video we're going to learn about Metatrader platform, which is called MT4. I'm going to show you how you can use this platform for beginners. So once you launch up this platform, this is how the charts look like. So if you want to zoom in, just zoom in. You could see how the candles. This background is pretty dull. So if you want to change this candlesticks, and if you want to change the background, you can just right click inside the window, go for properties. You have colors option here. You can just change to black on white. I think this is pretty good. You can also change foreground, grid, bar up and everything. I would like to change bull candle, which is at green color, and also the bear candle, which is at red color. And click OK. Now you can zoom in. Could you see how clear it is? Yes. And you could see there are a lot of grids over here, which is like horizontal and vertical lines. If you don't want this, same thing, go for properties, go for common, untick this show grid, click OK. Now you could see how the chart is very clear, right? So you have another thing, which is bar chart. Okay, so this is what the bar chart looks like. Most of the professional traders use candlesticks, which is created by Japanese people. And there is another thing, which is area. This is how the area, or you can also use line chart. Okay, area chart or line chart. Okay, so let's keep these candlesticks. Okay, then if you want to change the currency into the other currency, okay, just go for market watch, or you can also use a shortcut which is called Control+M. Okay, so if you want to go for USD CHF, which is dollar Swiss francs, click it, right click, chart window, right? So you got this thing. So if you want to change it, as usual, go for properties and go for candlesticks. Okay, you can unlock show grid, you can just black on white. Okay, then you can click OK. Now it looks clear. Okay, so this is how you can just change the color of the candlesticks, and you can also use this market watch for changing the currency pairs. Okay, the other very important thing is that, see, if you want to close this one, just go for market watch, click it, yeah, open, close, that's all. The other important thing is that terminal box, which is Control+T, which is the shortcut. So this is very important because here you could see, yeah, let me drag this up for you. Yeah, here you could see your balance, okay, how much amount you have. And the most important thing is you can see your account history. Okay, so most probably this terminal box will be useful for to look at what trade you are. Okay, if you are in a trade, this will show you it's on position, open position and close position, everything it will show you here, and also account history. Okay, so here you have news alerts, mail thing and everything. I think this, for news and all, you need to use the other websites. Okay, I personally don't use these things to use for fundamental analysis. Okay, then if you want to rid off from this terminal, just click that box, it'll go away. Okay, so this is how you can see the terminal blocks. And the very important thing that you need to take note is that how to place an order. Okay, just click new order over here, right? So symbol, which means you can choose any currency pair. Let me choose Euro USD here. Yeah, so volume is nothing but one standard lot. You know, volume, lot size, there are a lot of things over here. You have standard lot, mini lot, micro lot. Okay, so if you want to learn more about these lot sizes, just comment down in the below, so I can make another video to explain you more about these lot sizes. Okay, so you can just click your lot size, stop loss. You all know about stop loss and take profit, right? So you need to make sure you press your stop loss price here and also take profit price here. Comment is no needed. Type, you have two types here: market execution, pending order. Market execution is nothing but you can just go and you can just directly buy and sell at the market price. Okay, pending orders, or like, you know, there are different types in pending orders. See, this is, I think if you want to know about more pending orders, comment down in the below. I can make another video for that because it takes time to explain you. Okay, so if everything is set here, you can just go for sell or buy. Okay, so whatever your trading plan says, you can just go and follow. So this is how you can place your orders. Okay, once you place your orders, here you could see your order. Okay, your time, what type, what lot size, and what is your symbol of currency pair, your price, your entry price, your stop loss price, everything it will be seen here. and your profit and loss. Okay, so this is how you can use this one. This is called new order. Okay, and you also can open this in a short form, which is F9. Okay, then at the below you have a lot of tools here. So this is number one tool, which is crosshair. Okay, so this is used for looking out the candles. Okay, let me place my crosshair here to here. Okay, so left hand side, which is 12. Okay, which means 12 candles. Okay, so from here to here it is 15 candles. 260, which is pips. Okay, so ignore the zero, you have to pronounce it like 26.0 pips. Okay, and at last at the right side you have the price. Okay, so this is what the prices look like. So this is very useful tool. Yeah, you can just see how many candles up, what the price and everything. And vertical line. Okay, so this is also used for analyzing. Yeah, so vertical thing. And horizontal line. Okay, this horizontal line is mainly used for support and resistance. Yeah, so you can just draw your support and resistance through this. And this is trend line. Okay, so basically you can just draw your trend line over here. Okay, so to notice the uptrend or downtrend, this line will be very useful for you. And there is also another tool which is called Fibonacci. Yeah, so okay, this is also I need to explain you in the other video, because this takes a lot of time. So you can use this Fibonacci tools over here. Okay, so if you want to delete it, so just double click, right click, delete. That's it. Okay, so this is how you can use these tools. And the most important thing is that time frame. Okay, you have M1, okay, which is minute one. Okay, minute one in the sense this one candle represents 1 minute. Okay, so if there are 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, it is 4 minutes. Okay, same as here. If you go for 5 minutes, each candle represents 5 minutes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take 4 candles, which consists of this total consists of 20 minutes. Okay, same as H1. So each candle contains of hardly one. H4, day 1, each candle represents each day. Okay, 1 day, weekly as well as monthly. All right, that is how you can just use this time frames. Okay, most day traders, swing traders, they all use different types of time frames according to your trading journal or according to your trading plan, how it is using. All right, so this is how you can use these tools and everything. Okay, so in here you have file. Okay, so as I told you that here you will have like login details, what account you're using demo or real account, everything you can see. View is nothing but all these are shortcuts, so about market watch, right? So everything insert. So you have indicators too, so if you want to use indicators, you can just take it out from here and you can use it. Charts, okay, which chart you need to use it, bar chart, candlestick, or whatever. You have tools over here. And window, you can just go for new window. For example, USD JPY, just click USD JPY. This is how it's look like. Okay, so each and every chart you open, everything will be here. Yeah, you could see here. If you want to close this, right click, close. Yeah, right click, close. That's all. So this is how it's look like. All right guys, so most probably the basic stuff through this MT4 platform I have been covered. If you want to know more about this pending orders, plus if you want to know more about lot sizes and everything, comment down at the below. I'll try to make separate video for all of these things. Thank you so much for listening. I appreciate you all for taking out your time and listening to my the beginners video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.